Big Bird, what are you doing at my computer? Again, we're not gonna go through this episode again, are we? Yes. Why? Because I want to. So I'm gonna use your computer and show the people out there that Big Bird matters. What? That doesn't make sense. Okay, Big Bird. Do your stuff. I'm done. Big Bird, you looked this up yesterday. Can you stop ruining my computer? Show the people this over and over again. No. We can't afford to show people this little face all the time. Yes, we can. And we're going to. No, we're not. We're gonna stop doing that. Look up something else. Something interesting. Okay. Are you done? Yes. It's Mike Wazowski. That looks nothing like Mike Wazowski. You see those feet? You see those arms? That's Mike Wazowski. Well, it's probably the feet and the arms that says that's not Mike Wazowski. You literally looked up Shrek. Shrek. No, I didn't. Are you lying? No. Big Bird, we're gonna have some issues. Are you sure? Big Bird, this is a disgrace. No, it's not. Enjoy it. No, I'm not going to enjoy it. It's not funny either. Look at that. It's Mike Wazowski. For the final time, it's not Mike Wazowski. It's Shrek. And a bot, and like, with arms of Mike Wazowski. Stuff like that. Which means it's Mike Wazowski. Wait, whoa, what are you doing? You never told me you were going to continue. Well, I am. What are you doing here? What are you doing here, little bird? I'm here to expose you in your future. What? What are you trying to expose of him, little bird? Him singing ABCs. How is that exposing me? Makes no sense. I sing ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, yeah. G. I'm leaving now. Exposed. So what do you want to do, little bird? It's my turn to do the technology. I don't think that's a good idea. It's the best idea. Are you done, little bird? No. Warning, this is not a joke. This is the loudest. Oh, no. No, Big Bird. Big Bird.